Hey besties, let's unpack what I got from Sephora. So what I got is, this is Laura Mercier. It's a setting powder. It's translucent. It's in a honey color. Don't think it will show. I don't think the cameras pick up the color, but yeah, we'll try that one. And the other one I got is a foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a full coverage foundation. I cannot wait to try it. A lot of people said they like it and they don't like it, so we'll see if I like it or not. And the other one I got is Makeup by Mario. It's a blush. It's a really beautiful color. Look at that color. And it have brush in the end, so it's very useful. We're gonna try that one too. The other one I got is from Nude Sticks. Look at this packaging. Packaging is beautiful. It comes like tiny box. This is sun-kissed blush. I don't know if the camera gonna pick the color, but it's really beautiful color. And I tried it in the store, so it's beautiful. And it have a little bit brush in the end. And the other one I got from Nude Stick is a highlighter. It's called Hey Honey. This same thing. It have a brush in the end, and this is in gold color. Look at that. That's beautiful gold. I cannot wait to try it. I didn't try this in color, I just picked it up. The other one I got is Makeup by Mario. It's a concealer in a shade of 420. We're gonna try this one. And I got Makeup by Mario. Yes, I'm obsessed with Makeup by Mario now. It's bronzer and contour in a dark color. We're gonna try that. And the other one that I got is Makeup by Mario. It's a setting spray. We're gonna try this. And last one I got is Glow Recipe. This is their new blush skincare makeup line. So you cannot go wrong with the Glow Recipe. Look at that color. The applicator is really beautiful. This is like if you don't want to put a makeup on, you just put it and you're gone. They have they formulated with skincare, so yeah, that's beautiful. And the other one is Makeup by Mario brush. This is the OG brush. This is an F4. Use it for concealer and foundation. Cannot wait to try this one. So I think that's all I got. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and share. Thank you. Bye.